Jonas Edward Salk. Jonas Edward Salk was a well-known American medical researcher who is best known for his discovery of first polio vaccine. In the 1950s, polio was considered to be the most frightening disease in the United States, which seemed to create large annual epidemics that killed millions. After being appointed at the School of Medicine at the University of Pittsburgh, Salk began his studies on various types of polioviruses, which he continued for 7 years. His vaccine was tried on 220,000 volunteers with successful results. After the same was declared, he continued his efforts of developing a safe and effective vaccination for polio. He never patented the vaccine. Until date, he is considered the designer of polio vaccine for his significant contributions. He later on found the Salk Institute for Biological Studies, which is currently a center for scientific research in La Jolla, California. Joseph Aspdin. Joseph Aspdin was a well-known cement manufacturer in Great Britain. On 21st October 1824, he obtained the patent for Portland cement. It derived its name from the best Portland stone, which was a very prestigious material at that time. This product mainly focused on the architectural precast molding and stuccos. A fast-setting low-strength cement was required at that time. The burning temperature was not very high and there was absence of a light. Joseph Aspdin used P9 Carboniferous limestone while making the Portland cement. There was a tough competition of Parker's Roman cement. He used the double burning process. The limestone is burnt at the first stage and then it is mixed with clay. After this, it is slaked and burnt for a second time. He struggled a lot during his career and was forced to make a patent for obtaining limestone. His son William proved to be more innovative and he mixed higher limestone content at a greater temperature. This finally resulted in making the modern Portland cement. Josephine Cochrane. Josephine Cochrane was born on 8th March 1839 in Ashtabula County, Ohio. In 1886, she completed the first practical mechanical dishwasher. Even though a washing machine device was patented already in 1850. She was the very wealthy woman and she organized so many fancy dinner parties. From the beginning, she wanted a machine that may possibly do the better washing of the dishes than any human being does. She made the dishwasher in a few months without taking any help to the others. In a little while, Mrs. Cochrane received orders for her dishwashing machine from many restaurants and hotels in Illinois. After this, she patented her design and went for the invention. In 1893, she displayed her design or invention at the World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago and got the uppermost prize for the best mechanical creation, toughness and an adaptation to its line of work. Afterward, she began Garris Cochrane Manufacturing Company. She passed away on 3rd August 1913. Joseph Armand Bombardier. Joseph Armand Bombardier was born on 16th April 1907 in Valcourt, which is in Quebec in Canada. He was a businessman and an inventor. His most famous invention was a snowmobile. His family was large and they were employed in their small shop in a small town of Valcourt. A few members of his family were also farmers. In 1926, he opened a small garage in his hometown. In snow-free seasons, he used to sell gasoline and fix cars. While in snow tinkering seasons, he was working on a snowmobile vehicle. Between 1937 and 1940, there was nothing to cross the heavy snow. He finally showed his design in 1945 that proved a great advantage to the people. In 2000, he was also honored by the Government of Canada with his image on a postage stamp. Somewhere around 2004, Autoroute 55 was named after his name as Autoroute Joseph Armand Bombardier. He died on 18th February 1964.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.